继续咱来看导盲犬对视障人士来讲是真重要，不过要训练是真无简单。平均敢有60成的狗仔会当顺利通过训练。若伫英国，因为疫情甲脱欧的关系，训练机构是已经真久无运作啊。训练师甲技工的卡手嘛无够，致使导盲犬的需求即嘛是坐过供应。若是排队要申请，平均都要等近2年的时间。
Well done, what a good boy.
英国会盘欧式拉布拉多犬蒙提，咧接受导盲训练，以顺利驶过障碍物为主人找着飞。22礼拜课程内底要学的物件真多，平均只有56成受训的狗仔用通过，真少合格导盲犬。
Throughout training, we have 36 or 37 behaviours that we work on. It takes a lot of mental energy from these guys as well.
英国即马欠真侪导盲犬，因为新冠疫情期间，各地训练机构拢停半年以上，封锁状态无法度进行培育训练，照顾细只狗的义工甲专业训练师也变少，脱后各互即种人才无法度自由入境。过去7年，拉布拉多导盲犬卡洛是视障者查尔斯生活辅助手，找安全探索世界，佮帮助伊拍破社交恐惧，识在真侪新的朋友。
Carlo is family, friend. It's part of me because, like I say, because he's always with me.
不过卡洛已经到会真紧对到退休的年岁免继续做查尔斯目睭，申请新的导盲犬到配对成功，平均要等1到2年时间。这中间查尔斯只好重新使用视障者的背拐来探路，承认行动限制会变多。
It's very much using a cane. You don't have that sort of reassurance in the handle of the harness. Where with Carlo, it's just a simple breeze of a walk. I'll tell him, turn left, and he'll turn left, where I then have to find that left with the cane.
咧训练导盲犬也有休困耍水的时间，不过袂轻松伤过久，因为还有1200个视障者咧往因进场救援。公司新闻是会中朋友。